So we are staying at a cabin here in Island Park this weekend. We're going to be doing some ice fishing, some cross-country skiing, and snowmobiling. So
just playing in the snow.
Yep, should be really fun. Be doing some ice fishing here, so we're setting up our tent and should be good. All right, we have our setup complete. So here's our tent. We've got a couple holes dug out here, and check out inside the tent. We've got 5 more holes. Now we just gotta wait for a bite. All right, we didn't catch anything, but we packed up and headed out, so we're gonna go maybe do some skiing now. That was super fun. Gonna probably call it for a night though. It's starting to get dark, so headed back in. All right, it's pretty wide out conditions out here, but we're playing around the cross-country skis, and we're gonna maybe do some trails later. So. All right, we're just getting in the car, getting ready to head out, but we have had a great weekend.
We love Island Park. We're definitely gonna have to come back.
Yeah, tons of fun. Bye.